Welcome back to NJ Sullivan. One of the many products we manufacture for the electrical construction industry are CT cabinets, current transformer cabinets. NJ Sullivan is pre-approved in Pennsylvania by PEPCO, PP&L, in Maryland by BG&E, PEPCO, SMECO, and in Virginia by Northern Virginia Electric Cooperative. And for very large CT cabinets, 2,000 amps and above, we are approved by Dominion Energy. And being pre-approved is very important. What that means is the local utility has the confidence that NJ Sullivan will manufacture the CT cabinet to their standards and pre-approved to be installed on their electrical grid. These particular CT cabinets are PEPCO approved. They're rated from 400 to 800 amp. All we need to know from the contractor and the engineer is what is the amperage and what's your voltage. Is it 120, 208, 277, 480, 400, 600, or 800 amp? That information will be installed on the label so the utility will know what this particular CT cabinet is rated for. As with everything else, quality made by NJ Sullivan, fully welded seams, powder coated ANSI gray. CT cabinets manufactured by NJ Sullivan are available in NEMA 1 and NEMA 3R.